Now we're teaching Harris, our German Shepherd mix, how to walk on the treadmill. She's been on there for about 3 minutes, and she's doing very, very well for a first timer. It's a big girl, Paris. That's a good girl.
You stop. Oh, this damn thing ain't gonna keep moving.
It's a good girl, Paris.
Good girl.
Paris, you gotta stay on the walk.
Good girl, baby. Good girl. Good girl. She thought she was gonna get right there and everything would be good. There we go.